Asana versus Basecamp. Two big names in project management. But which one actually fits your workflow better? So let's break it down. Asana is all about structured planning, timelines, dependencies, task ownership, and Basecamp, it's focused on simplicity. Fewer features, but less noise. It's more like a digital HQ for small teams. Asana gives you task lists, Kanban boards, calendar views, goals, and powerful reporting. Basecamp offers to-do lists, message boards, file storage, real-time chat, and a simple schedule. Think of Asana as your project GPS. Basecamp, more like a group bulletin board with checklists. Asana structures work in a top down way. Assign tasks, set deadlines, track progress. Basecamp takes a flatter, more casual approach great for teams that don't want micromanagement or notifications overload. So use Asana if you've got complex projects, tight deadlines, and need to stay laser focused. And use Basecamp if your team values simplicity, async communication, and the chill all in one workspace. Both are great. It just depends on how your team likes to work. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!